Ablution. Wudu is the prescribed Islamic ritual of purification performed before prayer. Wudu involves washing specific body parts in a particular sequence, including hands, face, arms, head, and feet. The act of wudu symbolizes physical and spiritual cleanliness, preparing the individual for prayer. The term al-gur ul-muhajjalun signifies radiant and shining. This radiance visually represents spiritual purity. The radiance on the face, hands, and feet symbolizes closeness to God, achieved through ablution. Regular ablution is encouraged to increase spiritual radiance. Frequent ablution promotes spiritual cleansing and increased mindfulness. Integrating ablution into daily life maintains spiritual well-being.